Hello, I'm AJ with Hall Research. Thanks for stopping by at the Digital Signage Expo. What we're showing here today is our HDMI over single category cable extension product. It's basically designed to carry 3D HDCP compliant full EDID transmission over the cable and 4K 2K support. It's using basically the most current HDMI 1.4 chipset. It's able to go up to 230 feet over the single cable, and we've also introduced a line of locking HDMI cables as well as matching HDMI connectors that allow for them to lock. What's unique about the cable is it actually locks to most displays and most sources as well.
Where do we find more information?
On hallresearch.com, Google or search UH1BT. Again, that's UH-1BT.